Good morning to all of you. You might have seen in the press about the change of Chief Minister of the holy Uttarakhand state, Mr. Tirath Singh Rawat. Barely after 4 months of taking charge as the CM of Uttarakhand and after conducting the Kumbh Mela, now he has to resign. For the past 3 days or 4 days, he has been in the Delhi consulting various BJP loyalists or BJP leaders. Of course, he could not be successful. Anyway, he has to approach the governor, Baby Rani Maurya, and submit his resignation. A new person will be elected. How this thing happened? This is the main point. Please remember, according to Article 164, which tells you the other provisions as to the ministers, if anybody not being a member of the parliament, not being a member of the assembly or council, if he is elected as a minister, then a minister who for any period of 6 months, consecutive 6 months, is not a member of the legislative state, member of the legislature of the state, then he shall, after the expiration of the 6 months period, he shall cease to be a minister. That means he has to be elected within 6 months. So that means, please remember, anybody can become a minister or chief minister, but they not belonging to the so-called house, may not be MLA, may not be MLC, he can become a minister, but within 6 months, within a period of 6 months, the elections have to be conducted and he has to be elected from the state legislature or council. Then only he is fit to act, continue as a minister. Otherwise, he will be ceasing as a minister. Please remember the provision. Section Article 164, Sub-Article 4. Clause 4 you can call it as. This is an important provision because things are happening like this. So way back in 1997, in the very famous case of Chaudhary, that is S.R. Chaudhary versus State of Punjab, 1997, one Mr. Tej Prakash Singh, he was nominated as the minister, but within 6 months, so that means even the elections were held, he could not be successful. So he has to step down as the minister, as per Article 164, Clause 4. Same thing happened, I believe, in Andhra Pradesh also. At the time of dethroning of the N.T. Ramarao's son, Mr. Hari Krishna, he was given the portfolio of transport minister by Chandrababu Naidu. But within 6 months, they could not conduct elections, due to which he has to lose the portfolio. And very recently, the incident of this Tirath Singh Rawat. Of course, because the bypolls could not be conducted. The Election Commission recently, it has faced the wrath of criticism right from the public and from the courts also for conducting elections in 5 states. So now they are very careful because while conducting the so-called that is counting process at Kerala, they have to make a hell of trouble because they have to observe the protocol. There are about 77 candidates in a particular district. So they wanted to avoid, better not to conduct elections. So in view of the second wave or third wave of the pandemic, the Election Commission, due to the present scenario, is not dare enough to conduct the by-elections, due to which actually by September 10th or so, he has to get through the so-called test under Article 164. But there is no possibility of conducting the elections being conducted. Therefore, of course, the BJP heads, they might have asked him to step down. And secondly, of course, politically also, the Kumbh Mela incident. And also after taking charge, he has passed a comment also on the against the girls on the ripped jeans. So people should not be allowed to use it to that ripped jeans on thing. It has become a controversial comment, so many things. So now it has go to elections. The state has to go to elections. In such a case, I think in view of the BJP leadership, he is no better than his predecessors also. It may be, it's a different thing. But whatever our point is concerned, as per Article 164, he has to be elected from the State Assembly. Now, this is, please remember, this is actually a lesson, or this is an introduction to Mamata Banerjee also. Yes, she is not. She did not win from any seat. No, but she was nominated as. She is nominated as the CM of Bengal. Suppose if the election commission could not conduct the elections, still 4 months, till 4 months more. So definitely, she has the same. May be the case. Of course, what happens after 4 months we do not know. But anyway, this is also a cautionary example to her. She is already, definitely she might have taken it as a lesson. Right friends, that's all for this day. Please remember Article 164 sub Article 4. So which says that a person should get elected within 6 months of consecutive period as MLA or MLC, otherwise he will be ceasing as the minister from the particular portfolio. Right? Thank you very much.